Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite Jamaican street food, yes, which is pepper shrimp. Oh my god, honestly guys, I love this dish so much. So here I have some shrimp that's in the shell. You don't have to remove the shell from it, and this is at least 28 to 30, okay? I just wash it off with some lemon juice just to take the rawness away from it, okay? So this is my onion right here that I finely chopped, and that's half of onion. That's my scotch bonnet pepper that I finely chopped, and I'm using 1 scotch bonnet pepper. My fresh thyme and my scallion. That's 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme and 1 stalk of scallion. That's my garlic there that I finely chopped also, and that's at least 3 cloves of garlic. And this is my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of fish seasoning, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Yes. So firstly guys, I'm gonna season my shrimp. So I'm gonna start off by adding at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning. My scotch bonnet pepper. My onion. I'm just gonna leave back a bit of my onion. My scallion and my thyme, my fresh thyme, my garlic. So now I'm just gonna mix it all in. You wanna make sure that everything is all combined, okay? Gonna also add a pinch of salt and some of my pimento seed, just a few pimento seed, okay? I'm telling you guys, all these herbs, it smells so strong. The scotch bonnet pepper, the scallion, the thyme, the garlic, this is so good. So that's nicely done. So guys, I had my pot on my stove, and I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you have vegetable oil, you can always use vegetable oil. So now that my oil and my pot is hot, I'm gonna add my remaining onion and some of my remaining garlic, okay? And you're just gonna leave it just for a couple of seconds to saute. And now I'm gonna add my shrimp. You want to make sure that your stove is on a medium heat, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 2 minutes, okay? I'm gonna cover my pot So just over 2 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna give it a stir. I'm telling you guys, this flavor right here, it smells so good. So good, guys. Super, super delicious. So guys, in my bowl right here, so this is the same bowl that I use to season my shrimp. So I'm gonna add at least half cup of water to it, okay? You want to make sure that you stir it all in. Make sure all these herbs get right into the water. All the onion, the garlic. So now I'm gonna add it to my pot. So what I did, guys, to the same bowl, I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of water. So now I'm gonna add some food coloring. And I'm just gonna add at least half teaspoon of food coloring for now, and that's the red food coloring. But you don't wanna add too much. Give it a stir. Just gonna add it like so. I'm gonna add some more of my red food coloring, and you can always add it, guys, to your liking, okay? It all depends how red you want it to be, but you don't want to add too much. So guys, as you can see, it started to boil up. So now I'm gonna add some more of my all-purpose seasoning. Around half teaspoon, and I'm also gonna add some of my paprika, okay? And that's half teaspoon of paprika, and you want to give it a stir. Guys, it looks so good. Super delicious, I'm telling you. I'm just pouring all that sauce all over on my shrimp so it look nice and red. So guys, I'm gonna cover my pot and I'm gonna leave it for at least 6 minutes, okay? And my stove is on a low heat. So guys, it is all finished. So now I'm removing the lid, and this is what it look like. Oh my goodness. So good. The color is just perfect. As you can see, it is so nice and so juicy. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm just gonna add some scallion, some fresh scallion on top. Look at that. I cannot wait to eat it. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna turn my stove off. So guys, I plate up some, as you can see, and I'm adding some to my cling fling, okay? Because I don't have those little plastic bag. Because this is how we normally would buy it, in a bag, like a little street food in Jamaica. Yes. So I just want to show you guys. So I'm just adding it to my cling fling, and as I said, normally it's a white bag, but I don't have any white bag, so I'm just using a cling fling. My hand is red because of the food coloring, so as you can see, And with this way, guys, all the juice is on the inside. Yes. And whatever sauce you have leave back in your pot, you can just take it and pour it on your shrimp. Okay, like so. I'm telling you guys, this right here is so good. And it packed with so much flavor. May I tell you. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy this. It is really, really good. And so easy. Very easy to make. Gonna sprinkle some of my scallion. There you have it. This is how I make my Jamaican pepper shrimp. Yes, straight from Jody kitchen. Guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. I'm telling you, it's looking so good. I cannot wait to eat it. Come here, tell you, I'm gonna enjoy it. Look at that. So, so good. So now I'm gonna taste some of my pepper shrimp. Honestly, guys, it tastes super, super delicious. This shrimp right here is packed with so much flavor. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy this recipe. It is not too spicy. It is just right. So, so, so perfect, guys. Honestly, it is mouth watering. Don't forget, guys, to thumbs this video up. Share it to everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. If you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.